Next question is question number 15. Assuming complete ionization, same moles of which of the following will require the least amount of acidified KMnO4 for complete oxidation? First option is ferrous oxalate, second option ferrous nitride, third option ferrous sulfate, fourth option is ferrous sulfide. Now see, in this reaction KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent and these given substances acts as reducing agent. So maximum number of electron involved for reducing agent will require maximum amount of KMnO4. In this question it is asked about the least amount of KMnO4. It means we have to check the minimum number of electron involved in the reaction for the given substance. Now see one by one. The first option is ferrous oxalate. Iron is present in +2 state and carbon is present in +3 state. KMnO4 being a strong oxidizing agent oxidizes ferrous to ferric and carbon +3 to carbon +4, that is CO2. Now see number of electron involved per molecule of ferrous oxalate. 1 electron for iron and 2 electron for carbon. It means for this substance, if we take 1 mole substance, then 3 mole electron will be involved. In second option, this is ferrous nitride. Iron is present in +2 state, here nitrogen is present in +3 state. So iron oxidizes from ferrous to ferric, involvement of 1 electron. Nitrogen, nitrides oxidizes to nitrate ion. So oxidation number changes from +3 to +5. So there is involvement of 2 electron per nitrogen atom. It means total 5 electrons are involved for the oxidation of 1 molecule of ferrous nitride. Now in third option, this is ferrous sulfate. Iron is present in +2 state, sulfur is present in +6 state. If KMnO4 is used for the reaction, ferrous oxidizes to ferric. Sulfur is already present in the highest oxidation state, so no possibility of oxidation. It means only 1 mole electron will be involved per mole ferrous sulfate. In fourth option, this is ferrous sulfide. Iron is present in +2 state, sulfur is present in +4 state. KMnO4 will oxidize ferrous to ferric. Involvement of 1 electron. And sulfur from +4 to +6, that is sulfate ion. So there is involvement of 2 electron, total 3 electrons are involved. Now seeing this question, we can check that minimum number of electrons per mole involved in third option. So correct answer should be the third one. This is the correct option of the question.